Computer, ask Mugsy how many cups I have had today.
You have had 7 cups today. You might need some help.
Computer, ask Mugsy for machine status.
Your machine is currently offline and it is not ready to brew. There is 800 milliliters of water available. The bean hopper is 25% full. It is currently loaded with Nautilus Roasting Signature Blend.
Computer, ask Mugsy for integration info. Computer, ask Mugsy for integration info.
The Twilio integration is currently installed on your machine. Your code word is Junebug and your telephone number is 206814.
Computer, ask Mugsy to order 2 bags of Fast Forward from Counterculture.
Okay, Mugsy has placed an order for 2 bags of Counterculture Coffee Fast Forward. I'll send an order confirmation to your linked email address.
Computer, tell Mugsy coffee now. Computer, tell Mugsy coffee now.
Sorry, your machine is not ready to brewing.
Brewing? I'll need to fix that.